are pleased to welcome all of you here at New World Hotel Makati. Our Ascend workshop today will certainly be helpful to all of us. We will be talking about artificial intelligence, which is now the cornerstone of growth and advancement. AI emerges as an unparalleled force, steering us toward a better future. Its capacity to amplify productivity and unveil insights transcends limits, illuminating pathways to the vast possibilities.
ePLDT leverages on a robust network of resources and expertise, ensuring reliable support and innovative solutions for our customers in the realm of information technology and telecommunication.
AI won't replace humans, but humans with AI will replace humans without AI.